Welcome back, everyone. So, Conor McGregor now asking for a fight with Charles Olivera. Based on what? You haven't won a fight in your last 7 or 8? 3, 4 years that he's irrelevant. Poirier stopped him twice. I don't get it. I think this guy needs to keep selling whiskey unless he's done with that. He's got enough money, and anybody with hundreds of millions doesn't need or want to get punched in the face and will have a very hard time getting ready for a fight. And his preparation won't be serious. We all know that. So, Conor McGregor, stay the hell away. Nobody cares. Nobody wants to see you. You're past. You're done. You had your moment of glory. You won 2 belts, 2 divisions. Good for you. You sold lots of whiskey. Nobody wants to see you fight, bro. You broke your leg. You looked bad in the last 2. You looked bad in the last 3 or 4, actually. So just get the hell out. Do something else with your life. Leave it alone. Dustin Poirier, I hope he doesn't retire. It's tough to go through what he went through on Saturday night, but I think he still has some dog left in him, and I'd like to see him have another shot at the title. Poirier, Gaethje, these are guys worthy of a title fight against Olivera. They deserve it. They've worked hard. Even Chandler. So let's get some new blood in there. No one wants to see Conor McGregor. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment below.